Should the students be allowed to have smartphones in elementary and high school? No. Do you have smartphone? Have you ever played a game on smartphone all night? Then you may have felt dizzy next morning. I think elementary and high school students shouldn't use smartphone because their duty is studying. Of course, students can use smartphones, but smartphone has several problems. The smartphones are made for grown-up people. It can easily install many games. It got had a bad effect to children. For example, the Korean program Kakao Story is making people addicted, especially the kids who have to concentrate on studying get worse effect. But if all people use smartphones in the right way, it can make a good effect to all people. So we challenging to use smartphones in the right way, but I think elementary and high school students shouldn't use smartphones.